Hey guys, Moon here, and you can't hear it, but it's raining outside my window right now, and there's no internet, so anyway, due to there being no internet, thanks to the rain, I'm playing some Cat Hotel today. Because thankfully, this game doesn't require internet for me to play. On the bright side of there being no internet, there's no ads. So that's a relief. Anyway, even though I don't have internet, it's nice to just actually chill. I can make a video even without internet, because some of my games, this game in particular, no internet required. I can just hop in and play. I know my Cat Hotel videos aren't exactly popular anymore, but I still play it. And yes, I play Cat Hotel on occasion. I still am not able to add a 5th cat in. And I haven't gotten any more stars, so. But regardless, being a cat lover and simple games bring fun. It's a nice game to just play and chill. You don't have to worry about any important events. No limited time events. Nothing. You can just pop right in and get playing. That's what I like about games like this. You don't have to worry about limited time events and things like that. Plus overall, I like the cats. Do I wish there were more cats to play with? Yes. But besides that, it's a nice game. So are the other games made by Devola, if I'm even saying it right. I just like to chill with a simple game and not have to worry about anything. And some of you may know this, but cats can make nearly 100 sounds. That's what the tardigrade animals, if I'm saying that right. But what it means is they walk on their toes, not like us who walk on our heels. Walking on their toes with padded paws helps them avoid detection and be swifter and more stealthy. Haven't seen a beast in a while. And yes, while storms can be annoying, knocking out your internet and at times even your entire, power can be annoying. It's also soothing in a way. Sure, hearing lightning and thunder outside your window isn't exactly soothing. But it's nice. I had to go somewhere today with my mother, and returning home, we got rained on. So by the time we walked back into our house, we were wet. The yard was getting rained on. But other than that, it was fun. I like videos like this because just playing a game, I don't have to worry about anything. I can just talk to you guys. Like I'm in conversation, but I'm not showing up on screen myself. Oops. There we go. Tomorrow, you're in the winner getting groomed. You're all taken care of. You need to be taken care of. There are only technically 8 breeds available in this game, so there's some color variety, but I want to see more. If I could contact Tavola, the main company who made this game, I'd like to talk to them and ask them to add more breeds. Because, well, yes, I do love these 8 breeds, even though I'm not sure exactly what they're other than tabbies, the Siamese, maybe Burmese, and Norwegian Forest Cat. Yeah. Jeez. Oops. Yeah, I just thought, even though these videos aren't very popular anymore, might as well make something. The main games I usually play require internet, so I can't play those. So why not just chill with Cowtail? And you can hear the other cats mewing in the background. know. Yeah, I saw one of my favorite YouTubers, Siri Petzobologist, you may know her, play this game some years ago on her computer. But it was hard for her to do some of these things because this game was made for mobile, which is what I'm playing it on. But no matter what you play these games on, they're always fun. There's a duck. Is that a vase? Probably. There's another duck. I can't tell, probably a teacup or something, I don't know. And it's so satisfying seeing these cats just run around and play. Some people don't like that their cats might go for things, but for one, keep your items somewhere where the cats can't reach them and knock them over. And for two, your cats knock things over not to be jerks, but because of their hunting instincts. It's built into their DNA. Cats are hunters. They hunt for things, usually prey, but when they can't hunt, they satisfy their instincts with other things, like knocking over your objects. So, to keep their instincts at bay, I'd suggest playing with your cat. Get an interactive toy, like, I don't know, a mouse on a string, a bird on a string. And don't just wave it around in the air. Act like you are the mouse, you are the bird. That will help their instincts be satisfied. And also get one of those toys, those puzzle toys where you can put treats and then let them figure it out. That should help out as well. What I'm just trying to say is play with your cat. That will help their energy be released and make sure they don't knock over your items. Just like my first point. Keep your items somewhere they can't be knocked over. Oops, not what I meant to do. May get boring, so we do the same thing over and over, which is one reason why my Cowtail videos aren't very popular. But, yeah. Yeah, so a piggy bank, something a duck, and another piggy bank. I think these are piggy banks in the way they look like it. And I can hear cats sleeping in the background, which is super adorable. I see my cat sleeping all the time, either with me or my family member.